Hey guys, it's Dan here with a new video, and today I'm going to show you some simple things you can make that won't take too much time for last minute ideas for any Christmas gifts or any gifts during the holidays. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is these, which go on top of wine bottles and they hold the wine glasses. So it's for like a couple, and you would make this for someone where they'll put it on there and the wine glasses are held on there. You've seen probably some woodworkers talk about these. This design is the one from Make Something, and I'm going to have his stuff linked in the description below so you can get the patterns and all that. You can either go out and buy some wood that is at like dimensional shapes, or you could use your own scrap wood. So I did it both ways, and I'm going to just show you a couple of clips of me working with the wood for that. But also, with this, it was just like one piece of maple, and it was really cheap, and it has like all this cool green into it, and it just looks nice, and people are going to love it regardless. And this costs no money because you already bought the wood and your project's already done, and this is scrap wood. So I got two out of this. I resawed it, and you'll see me gluing up and sawing some of this. And if you just follow the patterns, it's really simple. It's bandsaw. You need a bandsaw. You drill out the holes, you get a drill press or a hand drill, and you cut the lines. There's ways to make it hard, there's ways to make it easy. So that's really cool. I'll show you some close-ups of these. We got the maple coming up here. Look at all that grain popping off. And again, I got two from one board. And then let's look at a close-up of this. So this is, I think it's Honduran rosewood. I think this is a maple, and I think this is Chichen wood. And you can see that it has two-tone, because this side's a little darker, it oxidized more. This was the exposed wood, I'm pretty sure, to what I had. And this was the sawn off part, so this has a little less oxidation on it. But it's all finished the same, and it's going to look really good. Alright, so another thing you can do is, if you don't have woodworking, but you do have access to 3D printing, you can either design something or find something that someone likes. So first, let's just Google something that they like. So I found this file on Thingiverse, and the person this is for likes pandas. It's a panda. So the thing that's cool about this is these Tamiya paints that I hand painted it with makes it look like it's ceramic. And the ceramic look to it makes it super shiny and look like it's more valuable than what it's worth. It's a piece of plastic. Obviously, it's 3D printed, but it has that good look to it. So if you're going to be doing something like that, but you want to add a little more touch to it, you can design something. And I designed this initially. It's D-A-N. It's my name, D-A-N. But I used Fusion 360 to extrude between them. So when you look at it, it shows the letters at different points. And I saw that, and for one of my friends, co-workers, I did the same, X-I-A, for their name. So that spells out how they spell their name currently. And then I just did regular paint with it, and then I did some black and silver highlights to make it look like it's metallic. You can paint it any way you want, but if you paint 3D prints, you're going to have to do a lot of sanding, unless you're going to design a lithophane. So lithophanes are something that people really like and are really cool, but it's a little harder to explain unless you just show it to them. I'm not going to zoom in on this one because I want to respect the people's privacy. But what it is it turns a photo into like a topographical map, sort of, that when you shine light through it, it makes the picture show up on the thing. And there's this website where I designed this. It's really simple. It does it curved, and you can change a whole different bunch of aspects, and it's better than the ones I find on Thingiverse. I'm going to link that. And something I designed for it, which I'll actually show a little bit on how to do, is a little stand to hold it up, because, I mean, it stands up fine, but it looks like it doesn't stand up fine, so when you put it in there, it just slots in real easily, and now it looks like it's able to stand up fine. So that's really cool. If you have anything that's not a 3D printer or not woodworking, and you want to make something else, I'm sure you can find a video somewhere else, or you could just look at where I'm making foam, or I don't know. You can do whatever you want. It's your Christmas and it's your holidays. You make it what you want it to be. But this is what I did because I wanted to make some stuff for my friends. And we are looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video where you're going to see stuff like this. And you can also check out my other links over here. This is not sponsored by Patreon this week because I'm trying to get this stuff out and it's more just for fun. So we'll see you guys in the next video.